Ansar Sharia attacked the military station on the coastline. Over 200 soldiers killed. After that attack, I was called by them. They have 80 prisoners and they need our assistance. My father died when I was 3 months. He was a very respected person. Our family had a good reputation.
Assalamu alaikum wallah.
Helps me because I'm in charge of networking for all teams in the south. We call people along the way. Is the area secure? Is there armed men on the road that can shoot our vehicles? There are checkpoints to ensure security. But problems still happening. Many incidents happen targeting the military bases, caused injuries and killing of people. I was in the business field for about 13 years. I had a lot of money back then. We had villas, factories and companies. My lifestyle was completely different. I didn't like the business life. It was not my right place. It's very hard to deal with people who don't respect their promises. I have principles that I have to keep. Since I was a little boy, I like to help people. And that's the big thing. It's not all about salary or money. Being among the family, this is what makes a person happy. It's a visit for the social movement, which called for separation. Every time we found out there is a new faction, we visit in order to introduce the ICIC to them. We explain to them the ICIC is neutral, humanitarian organization. The aim is to assist people during a conflict. We do meetings to secure the safety of our people. The first daughter of mine died when she was 8. I wasn't aware that she has leukemia. She was my beloved one. Sometimes I'm thinking that God took her because I might be wrong, but he feels jealous that I loved her that much. She believed in me that she's gonna be fine, and then I feel that I was lying to her. And she ended up suffering for 1 whole year for me. The last 3 months she said that she wants to die. She cannot suffer no more. Working has really helped me to being busy instead of thinking about her all the time. Tomorrow we're going to the field to visit the prisoners. We're going to give the coordinates to the military to inform them that these are the area we're visiting to avoid the air striking. We keep negotiating with the government to explain to them our mandate, then they will allow us to go this area. I prayed to God if it's good for me to join the ICRC. The first thing that came to my mind is, do they call for Christianity or something like that? Now I am sure that the ICRC just do humanitarian things. Every time I start a field trip, I pray to avoid us from all troubles. We're going to the field to see the situation of the prisoners with Ansar al-Sharia. If it happened, I'm killed during the work, I know where I'm going. I'm going to heaven and I will see her, my beloved one. Situations is getting worse and worse. All my concern is to reach those people and deliver the assistance to them. This is within me, it never changes. I wish for things to be different. I don't see it possible. I'm just worried that the conflict may spread and reach the area where my mother lives. And I know my mother's not going to leave. And I'm afraid about her. I wish that we will be able to help all the people somehow decrease of their suffering.